A very good morning to all the students of class 9. Today we shall discuss about the format of informal or personal letter. Informal or personal letter. Basically, you all are familiar with the fact that there are two kinds of letter. One is formal or the official letter, and the other one is informal or the personal letter. And in this particular video we shall learn about the format of the informal or the personal letter. Mind you children, out of 10 marks allotted to letter writing in the examination, 5 marks is for the format and 5 marks is for the expression. So the format of the letter is equally as important as the expression of the letter. So let us begin with the format of personal letter. Before moving ahead with this, the first and foremost thing you need to keep in your mind and remember till you appear for the ICSE is that all the parts of the letter, be it formal or informal, will be aligned left. All the parts of the letter should be written towards the left hand side. Remember this in your mind that everything should be written towards the left hand side. So the first part that comes in the personal letter is the address. Address of the sender. Sender's address or the one who is writing the letter. Let's say the address is St. Xavier's School. Supposedly the address is St. Xavier's School, Pakyong, East, Sikkim. So first comes the sender's address, and that address could be written in 3 lines without any punctuation mark. St. Xavier's School, Pakyong, East, Sikkim. So this is the sender's address. So right after this address, you have to leave one line. You have to leave a line and write the date. For instance, 20th July 2021. 20th July, 2021. This is the date. And children, when you write the date like this, when you write the date in numbers, this is considered totally incorrect. And even you cannot write the date in abbreviations in short form like November, October. So keep this in your mind. When you write the date should be written in a complete form like 20 July, 2021. You are not supposed to write the date in numbers, neither write in short form. So keep this in your mind. After address, again you have to leave a gap and write the salutation. Salutation means Dear Ankit, comma. So this is the salutation. Dear Ankit is the salutation of the letter. So D should be written in capital letter and name of the person should be written in also a capital letter followed by a comma. So remember that after salutation you use comma here. So this is the salutation. Then comes the body of the letter. After salutation comes the body of the letter, wherein you are supposed to write the body in 3 paragraphs. The body should not exceed more than 3. It should be of exact 3 paragraphs. So in the first paragraph, you all are supposed to write opening lines. In the first paragraph, you are supposed to write the opening lines. For example, it has been long since we have met It has been long since I have written to you. Hope everything is fine at your end. Those are the opening lines. Then after opening lines, in the next paragraph, you all have to write the main subject. Main subject means why are you writing the letter to the person, that you have to mention in the main subject or the main body, that is in the second paragraph. And final paragraph contains the concluding lines. So the final paragraph should contain the concluding lines, whereas what do you expect from your friend? Got it? That should be written in the concluding lines. So just to recapitulate, the body of the letter should be divided into three parts: opening lines, the body, main subject matter, and the last one is concluding lines. It shouldn't be more than 3 paragraphs. So after this comes the subscription of the letter. Subscription means yours lovingly. Yours lovingly, comma, Aman. So finally comes the subscription where you write yours lovingly. And remember children, in this very word yours, you will not use apostrophe. This apostrophe is not used. You simply write Y-O-U-R-S without the use of an apostrophe. And lovingly, L should be written in a small letter followed by comma, and here you will write your first name. In the informal or personal letter, you will not write the surname, your surname, because the person who is receiving your letter already knows who you are, your whereabouts and your personal details and information. So you needn't mention about your surname. So first you need to write only the first name. So this is the end of the personal or informal format of personal or the informal letter. So just quickly have a recapitulation over here. First comes the sender's address. Alright, this one is sender's address. After sender's address, you will leave a gap and you will write a date in full form. After writing the date in a full form, you will leave a space and you will write this. This one is salutation. This one is the salutation of the letter. After salutation, you leave a line and you will write the opening line followed by the main subject matter, main body of the letter. Alright, then comes the concluding lines. Your main subject means the main body of the letter followed by concluding lines, and finally comes this is called subscription. Subscription, yours lovingly, Aman. And as I told you, there are certain things to be remembered in subscription. Y should be in capital letter and there should be no use of an apostrophe, and lovingly, caringly, affectionately, those should be written in small letter followed by a comma, and the first name should be written. So children, this is the format of informal or personal letter. This is very, very vital and important for you all to learn it and memorize it throughout. Generally, there are two formats. One is traditional format of writing letter and the other one is the box type format of writing letter. But you all know that the boards, alright, the boards, they approve this type of format. This is the box type format. So this is the format which is very easy, where all the parts of letters are written towards the left hand side and nothing is written towards the right. So this is the informal or the personal letters format. So in the next class we shall discuss about the format of official or formal letter. So I want you all to keep this in your mind and write exactly this in your examination. So I shall stop over here. If you have anything to ask, any doubts and queries, you all are free to ask the teacher. Thank you very much.